Oahu Real Estate Market Update for December 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies that help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then I'll share the local market information for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 2,565 homes sold, an 8% increase from last year. For condos, closed sales are down 4% to 4,136 homes sold compared to last year. The single-family home median sales price was $1.1 million, which is a 4% increase compared to last year. Condos are at $510,000, a 1% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 19 days on the market, 14% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 29 days, which is 38% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 3,554 single-family homes this month, which is a 13% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 6,828 condos this month, which is an 18% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been decreasing since the peak in July. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 2,796 homes, 7% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 4,291 homes in escrow, 3% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 3.3 months, 14% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 5.4 months, 64% higher than last year. Overall, supply continues to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 749 homes, a 12% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 2,049, a 53% increase year-on-year. Both single-family homes and condo active inventory have been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 36% of total closed sales. 98% of single-family homes sales received full list price or more. Condos between $500,000 and $600,000 accounted for 20% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher. Oahu's real estate market remains dynamic, with single-family home sales up 8% year-to-date, driven by a median price of $1.1 million, while condo sales have dipped 4%, though inventory and options for buyers are expanding. Homes are selling quickly, with single-family home properties spending just 19 days on the market. Both single-family home and condo markets reflect strong demand, with most sales closing near or above list price, even as overall supply trends upward. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year-to-date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.85 million, 7% higher than last year, and it's based on 67 closed sales. Days on market are now 18. For Moana Kakaako, most of inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $770,000, which is 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 55 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 16. Condo prices are now $550,000 and days on market are 31. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now at $892,000 and days on market are 21 days. For condos, prices are now $685,000 and days on market are 26. For Hawaii Kai, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 12% higher than last year, and days on market are 17. For condos, prices have decreased by 6% compared to last year, which is at $820,000 and 13 days on the market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 13 days. For condos, the median price is now $791,000 and days on market are 16. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $950,000, 5% higher than last year. Days on market are 22 days. On the condo side, median price is at $400,000 and days on market are 41. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now $1.2 million, 4% higher than last year, and days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price is now $700,000 and days on market are 15 days. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million, 8% higher than last year, and days on market are 16 days. For condos, the median price has decreased to $700,000, 26% lower than last year, and days on market are 13. For Makaha and Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $670,000 and days on market are 38 days. Condo median price is increased to $245,000 and days on market are 45 days. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $1 million and days on market are 24 days. For condos, the median price is $565,000, 3% higher than last year. Days on market are 29 days. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.6 million, 9% higher than last year. Days on market are 19 days. For condos, the median price is $400,000 and days on market are 31 days. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $1.08 million and days on market are 14 days. For condos, median price is at $515,000 and days on market are 23 days. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price is at $1.2 million, 1% lower than last year, while days on market are 14 days. For condos, the median price is now $430,000 and days on market are 29 days. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is at $1.5 million and days on market are 25 days. For condos, the median price is $1 million, which is 15% higher than last year, and days on market are 13 days. For Pearl City, Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $1.1 million, 10% higher than last year, and days on market are 13 days. For condos, the median price is $470,000 and days on market are 24 days. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $825,000 and days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price increased to $350,000, which is 5% higher than last year, and days on market are 20 days. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.3 million and days on market are 19 days. For condos, the median price is $635,000 and days on market are 33 days. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $443,000 and days on market are 34 days. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is $950,000, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 16 days. For condos, the median price is $500,000 and days on market are 15 days. For the Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is $1 million, 8% lower than last year. Days on market are 38 days. For condos, the median price is $355,000, which is a 77% increase compared to last year, and days on market is 16 days. So, I came across Freddie Mac's latest deep dive into the US housing market, and it's eye-opening. They're estimating that we're short 3.7 million housing units nationwide. Can you believe that? That's like trying to squeeze everyone into a packed stadium when there aren't enough seats to go around. Freddie Mac says this shortage is pushing more young folks to stay with parents or roommates, delaying that first home dream for a million households. And it's all about home prices, and rents are climbing as supply just can't keep up with demand. What's really interesting is how they calculate this. They looked at the number of homes we'd need if housing were affordable and vacancy rates were balanced. Turns out we need 2.7 million more vacant homes just to stabilize the market. Meanwhile, other economists are chiming in too. Some think the shortage might be smaller or even bigger, depending on how they crunch numbers. And get this, even in places like Austin, where there's technically a shortage, prices are correcting because local incomes just can't keep up with inflated demand. It's a fascinating look at how the housing market is trying to balance itself. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.